As a former professional tennis player, I understand the importance of staying fit, healthy, and protecting your body from injuries. When you are maintaining an active lifestyle, it's essential to be proactive about taking care of your body. Not only is it necessary to manage aches and pains that occur, but you can also be diligent about preventing injuries. And this goes out to all professional athletes or sports enthusiasts of all ages. I love tennis and sports, but my true passion comes from helping my patient. I'm Dr. Sara, and I'm a Consultant Orthopaedic Surgeon. My sports background has led to one of my great interests, which is management of injuries related to sports. Apart from that, I'm also specialized in hip and knee replacement surgery, and I always try to start with conservative techniques in order to avoid or delay the surgery. I see patients of all ages with all types of orthopedic problems in my clinic. Nothing makes me happier than a pain-free and a healthy patient. Let's work together to get you back in the game.